Hello, this is Tilva. Welcome to Autobits channel. So today's topic is motor monitoring using G120 drives. So as you know, the Siemens G120 drives is widely used in the markets. So in this motor monitoring, you can monitor two things. One is the drive system and the second one is the motor which is running on the shop floor. So in motor monitoring, you can monitor the data like current, RPMs, motor temperatures, vibrations, which is the apart from the drive system. So if your motor is consuming more current, you can get the data, you can process the data, and if something is really fishy, the alerts can be triggered, and you can get and notify that whether your motor is on overload conditions. In same way, if your surface temperature of the motor is increasing, you can get to know whether the operating conditions are getting worse. And same way, you can also add on an additional vibration sensors to monitor the VRMS, ARMS values for the specific motor vibration systems. And also you can get a crest factor to monitor whether your bearings are working optimally or not. Fatigue is going continuously, you will get to know that your bearing conditions are getting worse. So using vibration, you can monitor that. So you can, if you monitor and you get the alerts, you will get a daily report, email escalation will be there. So in real time alert, you will get to know whether to take your motor into a planned downtime. So when the production is going on and something happens, so it will be a huge loss in the production. So you can monitor the alerts in real time, and you can get taken decisions fast earlier that when you should take your motor into the planned downtime. So this was the motor part, but nobody cares about the drive system which is running the motor. So in G120 we can get the IGBT temperatures, the torque, the RPM as I mentioned of them earlier. So from that we can also monitor the drive system. Motor can fail, but also the power module which is supplying the which is running down your motor can also be failure. If motor is good but your drive system is bad, so also you need to monitor your drive system. So for unproductivity, drive is also as culprit as the motor. So motor also can fail and drive can also fail. So nobody is thinking about to monitor a drive system. So for drive system, it can be a VFD drive system or also it can be a servo drive system. So both ways we can monitor, we can get an IGBT temperature. If temperature of the drive increases, the current is not, the drive is not able to give a sufficient amount of current to the motor. So that's how you can monitor your drive system and motor together. So thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe, and please connect us to make your factory smarter. Yeah, thank you.